You're almost there. The final step of your onboarding journey is to bring your team on board with Preno. Let's add your team members to Preno. It's super important that everyone has their own Preno account for accountability and security. Preno tracks changes based on user accounts, so having individual accounts for your team members enables you to see any edits or changes that are being made in your Preno account. Adding a team member is super simple. Simply click Add, enter their email, and they'll receive an invitation email to join your Preno account. You can customize user permissions right away. Tailor each team member's access based on their role in your business to maintain smooth operations. Whether it's housekeeping or reservations, ensure each person has the tools they need and nothing more. And with that, congratulations are in order. You have successfully set up your Preno account. Your property is now primed and ready to go. Your designated onboarding specialist will be in touch with the go-live dates. If you encounter any bumps along the way or have any questions, remember our customer support team is just a click away. Use the live chat on your dashboard for real-time assistance. Thanks for watching and welcome to the Preno family.